Musamseleku didn't expect that Makumalo can behave in such a way. He was used to that when he is saying something bad to Makumalo, Makumalo can keep quiet. And now on season 8, Makumalo was responding to Musamseleku that you don't appreciate someone who is doing good things to you. That's why other wives are treating in such a way. Musamseleku was very shocked with Makumalo's words that Makumalo now want to respond me in such a way because she have got money. Yes, Makumalo now she saw that it's time to change. It's time to take care of yourself, to stand with yourself because no one is going to fight for you. That's why Makumalo was responding Musamseleku, and she knows that she have got her own house without Musamseleku's name, because in Muzumbe, when they had a fight with Musamseleku and they don't have a child, Musamseleku can take advantage and say, Makumalo, you have to pack your bags because this is my compound. You have to go back to your parents. So all the time Makumalo was quiet. Macele and Musamseleku, they can say whatever they want to say. Makumalo was quiet. She knows what she is doing. The person who knows to play a game is Makumalo. That's why she was keeping quiet since season 1 until season 8. Makumalo start revealing her true colors to Musamseleku because she have got something touchable, because Makumalo now have got her own mansion in Durban. Even Musamseleku can always telling Makumalo that I'm the reason why you are successful. Makumalo, she have got a business. Even Makumalo can be out of that marriage, but she is out of that marriage. She have got something she can touch and say, this is my power, this is my energy. Makumalo worked hard, but she take opportunity because she was Musamseleku's wife. Musamseleku have got businesses, and Musamseleku was using Makumalo. Makumalo was the one who was managing Musamseleku's business, but she didn't relax Makumalo. I love the way she did. Makumalo didn't relax because she was helping Musamseleku, and Musamseleku was benefiting, and she was doing her own side hustle at the side. That's why you saw Makumalo, she managed to have a mine and a house. Other wives, they don't have something they can touch, that maybe they can be out of the marriage with something they can touch. Mayeni and Mangwabe, they don't have anything. But Makumalo defeats them. Makumalo, she have got something that she can point that I do something in my life. Even she can't have a child with Musamseleko. Makumalo, guys, knows how to play a game. That's why all the times she was keeping quiet. She knows that she is doing something in herself until Musamseleku saw that Makumalo managed to buy a house in Durban. Musamseleku was very hurt. Even those things to blame Makumalo, what about Mayen, it was anger because Makumalo managed to buy a house. So he wants Makumalo to feel the pain. I don't understand why he was doing all those things, but that woman knows how to play a game. Musamseleku can't play a game with Makumalo because he knows that woman, she is very intelligent. If Mangwabe doesn't want to be on that marriage, Mangwabe can be out of that marriage with nothing in Mayeni. But when it comes to Makumalo, Makumalo have got something. Even she can lose that house in Muzumbe and collect her own property. It's nothing because that house doesn't have title deeds like that house in Durban. A Durban house is very, he have got title deeds under municipality. So Makumalo gained a lot than Musamseleku, and she have got a mine. Even Musamseleku can fight Makumalo, can't to run that mine, but Makumalo have got braids. Makumalo create her name under Musamseleku. The way he was getting Makhumalo to say bad things about Makhumalo is the way he was making Makhumalo more famous.